What's up, you jagoffs? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to replace a sink faucet. Ours has been leaking for longer than I'd like to admit, but there's nothing like an inflated water bill to give you the kick in the pants that you need to get the darn thing replaced. Now, it depends how rich your blood is, but you can pick one of these up for anywhere from 10 bucks the whole way up to a whopping 2,597 buckaroos. Wait, what? 2,000? I don't know about yins, but that's a little excessive. First thing we got to do is we have to shut off the water because we don't want to flood the house. Next, we got to unhook the water lines. There is going to be a little bit of water that comes out when you take those off. Then we got to take off the mounting nuts that are holding the old sink on, and we can also disconnect the lifting rod, and we can lift the sink out. Now, what you're going to want to do at this point is you're going to want to scrub the area where the new gasket's going to sit. So here I'm taking off the nuts for the new faucet. Okay, you leave that gasket on there. And again, go ahead and put the mounting nuts on. Now at this point you don't want to tighten them up the whole way because you want to be able to center the new faucet. So what I did was I just pushed it towards the front so there's plenty of room for you to wash your hands. Here I'm kind of showing how the lifting mechanism works for the stopper. And you're going to want to unhook your old drain body. It can be kind of tricky sometimes. There I'm taking the horizontal rod off. And you can lift that out. And you also want to pop out your drain flange. And throw that away. You're going to want to use some silicone. First off, cut off the tip at a 45-degree angle, and then also you need to puncture the seal on the inside of the caulking tube. And then you want to put the new drain body in. Again, this can be a little bit tricky to get in. And then you also want to move up the rubber washer and then also move up the lock nut. And you want to install the new stopper, the new horizontal rod. Next, we want to put some Teflon tape on the new threads of the new sink or new faucet and hook up the water lines. Go ahead and tighten those down, but don't over tighten them. And then we can turn the water back on, make sure there's no leaks. Well, hope you guys liked the video. I hope you learned a little something along the way. I've got plenty of more projects coming, so expect more videos. I'm trying to do one video a week. My goal is to go a full year, but I know that's going to be quite the challenge. So anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, hit all the buttons. All right, you jag off, and I'll catch you in the next video. So see ya, bye.